Диалоги на английском языке в кафе для начинающих. Кофе с собой.
Hello, what can I get you?
Hello, I want a latte, please.
Large or small?
A small latte, please.
Do you want sugar?
No sugar, thank you.
Do you want cold or hot milk?
Hot milk, please.
Anything to eat?
No, just the coffee.
That is $4.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap here.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Wait 1 minute.
No problem.
Your coffee is ready.
It smells very good.
Careful, it is hot.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Заказ фастфуда.
Welcome. Can I take your order?
I want a double cheeseburger.
Do you want a menu set?
What is in the set?
A burger, fries, and a drink.
Yes, I want the set.
What drink do you want?
A large cola, please.
Do you want ice in your cola?
Yes, a lot of ice.
Any sauce for the fries?
Ketchup, please.
Is that all?
Yes, that is all.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Your number is 45.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
Just 5 minutes.
Okay, I will wait here.
Завтрак в кафе.
Good morning. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I want 2 eggs, please.
Fried or boiled?
Fried eggs, please.
Do you want bread or toast?
I want brown toast.
Do you want butter or jam?
Just butter, please.
Would you like some juice?
Yes, fresh orange juice.
Small or large glass?
A large glass, please.
I will bring it now.
Thank you very much.
Here is your breakfast.
Everything looks very fresh.
Do you need more coffee?
No, I am fine.
Enjoy your meal.
You too. Thank you.
Доставка пиццы.
Pizza Palace, how can I help?
I want a large margarita.
Do you want extra cheese?
Yes, extra cheese and olives.
What is your address?
Street Avenue, house number 10.
What is your phone number?
My number is 555.
The price is $15.
Does that include delivery?
Yes, delivery is free.
How long is the delivery?
About 30 minutes.
Can I pay cash?
Yes, cash to the driver.
Great, thank you.
Thank you for your order.
You are welcome.
Have a nice evening.
Goodbye.
В магазине мороженого.
Hello, which flavor do you want?
I want chocolate and vanilla.
In a cup or a cone?
In a waffle cone, please.
2 scoops or 3?
Just 2 scoops.
Do you want some topping?
Do you have nuts?
Yes, we have peanuts.
Put some nuts on top.
Here you go.
It is a big cone.
It costs $3.
Here is $5.
And here is your change.
Thank you. It is cold.
Yes, it is very cold.
I love this ice cream.
Come back soon.
I will. Goodbye.
Бар здорового питания.
Hi, do you want a salad?
Yes, a chicken salad, please.
What vegetables do you like?
I like tomatoes and onions.
Do you want lemon juice?
Yes, and some olive oil.
Do you eat bread?
No, no bread for me.
Do you want a smoothie?
What is in the green smoothie?
Apple, spinach, and banana.
That sounds very healthy.
It is very popular.
I will take a small one.
Your salad is ready.
It looks very colorful.
It is very fresh too.
How much is my lunch?
It is $12.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Чаепитие в пекарне.
Good afternoon, I want tea.
Black tea or green tea?
Green tea with lemon.
Do you want a croissant?
Is it a sweet croissant?
Yes, it has strawberry jam.
I prefer a chocolate one.
I have 1 chocolate croissant.
Great, I want that.
Sit at this table.
It is a quiet place.
Here is your teapot.
Can I have a spoon?
Yes, here is a spoon.
The croissant is warm.
I baked it this morning.
It is very delicious.
Thank you. Enjoy.
I am very happy.
Обед с другом.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Let's go to the bistro.
Do they have soup?
Yes, they have tomato soup.
I love tomato soup.
I want a big steak.
Is it expensive?
No, it is a cheap place.
Is the food good?
Yes, the chef is famous.
Look, the bistro is open.
Let's sit by the window.
I see the menu here.
I want a cold beer.
I want some white wine.
Let's order now.
I am ready to eat.
This is a nice lunch.
I agree, it is nice.
Жалоба на еду.
Excuse me, manager.
Yes, what is the problem?
My soup is cold.
I am very sorry, madam.
Can you heat it?
I will bring a new one.
Also, this glass is dirty.
I will change it now.
Thank you, I am waiting.
Here is your hot soup.
It is much better now.
Is the steak okay?
Yes, the steak is good.
I want to apologize.
It is okay, mistakes happen.
Your drinks are free today.
That is very nice of you.
We want happy guests.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your dinner.
Спасибо за просмотр. Что думаете о таком формате изучения английского языка? Поделитесь своим мнением в комментариях.